Just working at a lab.
Mm-hmm. Right on. Develop some vaccines or something, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need those.
Yeah, with the nowadays, with the different pandemics and the viruses it's getting pretty scary.
Yeah. No, it's surprisingly easy for, like, if somebody was really angry at the world, they could, like, create a virus without much difficulty and spread it.
Really?
Yeah. You can just...
You're not angry at the world, are you?
Not yet.
Okay, good. Huh.
You can just go online and order the DNA for a polio virus or whatever it might be.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
No one's stopping you.
As if.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that hasn't already happened.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Yeah. I do not want to go through another pandemic.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting locked down like that.
Yeah, no, it just takes away valuable time that you could use to, like, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like
Live your life.
Yeah, people weren't living the lives that they usually live for, like, a solid 3 years.
Yeah. It scared my mother too.
Yeah.
Very much so. We're gonna stay to the right here.
Are we turning right?
No, we're just gonna go straight here, but we're just moving into the driving lane, the default driving lane. And careful here, you got yourself a red light here. So when there's 2 lanes, you always drive in the right lane here. Before we do your mock road test, we're just going to go and practice some of all of the maneuvers. Actually, we'll start with the assessment first. We'll just go through everything first before we do any of that.
I see some lights over there.
Lights.
Like an ambulance. Type.
Good catch. Okay, we'll keep that mental note.
Yeah.
See where he's going. And we're going to keep going straight. And then again, straight at the next set of lights.